ATF agent that's been looking into you guys. I think he's here for me. Jax, don't. He's dangerous.
Go back inside, Tara. Lock the door.
Vandalism, deadly weapon, that's 6 months in county, asshole.
Violating restraining order? You'd be in the cell next to me. They teach you how to suck a dick in ATF school?
Badass biker.
You guys gave it your best shot. You got nothing on San Quill. And you harassing Tara, that ends here. Or next time it won't be a piece of shit car I'm draining fluid from.
You threatening a federal agent?
I'm threatening you. Go away. It's my last warning.